In today's economic roundup, we delve into some compelling stories that span the globe. Firstly, Malaysian Home Minister Datuk Seri Sarudin Nasution Ismail has chosen not to contest for the PKR deputy presidency, emphasizing the importance of preserving party unity and maintaining stability within the party. This decision comes as a reminder that it's not about us versus them, but rather a shared struggle for a more united and stable Malaysia. Moving on, the government of Dubai has taken a significant leap into the digital age by signing an agreement with the crypto exchange Crypto.com. This partnership aims to launch cryptocurrency payments for government services, a move that aligns with Dubai's cashless strategy and positions the city as a global hub for fintech innovation. Now, let's shift our focus to China, a nation of contrasts. While the technological success of China has captured the world's attention, there's another side of the Chinese economy that is less optimistic. The article, "There Are Two Chinas, and America Must Understand Both," offers a thought-provoking perspective on the complexities of China's economy. Turning our attention to international relations, President Donald Trump is currently on a Middle East tour, where he is pursuing a series of initiatives. As highlighted by political analyst Mark Halperin on Fox News, the three main objectives of Trump's tour are clearly on vivid display. Lastly, President Trump's Middle East tour also marks a significant push for massive investments totaling to $1 trillion. This tour is aimed at revitalizing U.S. influence, countering Iran, and securing deals with Persian Gulf allies. As tensions escalate and the Gaza war continues, it remains to be seen how these investments will shape the region's future. That's all for today's roundup. Join us again tomorrow for more exciting updates from the world of finance and politics. Thank you for watching, and please remember to stay informed, stay curious, and stay engaged.